Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Canadian crypto enthusiast, you've probably heard that USDT is banned in Canada. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you a simple workaround to convert USDT into USDC on Uniswap, and then sell your USDC for Canadian dollar through PayTrie. This method will let you get cash from your crypto while still following the new rules here in Canada. Let's dive into it. Now let's head to Uniswap, one of the most popular decentralized exchanges. Here's how you can convert your USDT to USDC. Now, in the swap section, select USDT as the token you're selling from. On the bottom, choose USDC as the token you're swapping to. If USDC doesn't show up, just search for it in the token list. Enter how much USDT you want to swap for USDC. Uniswap will automatically calculate the amount of USDC you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. Once you're happy with the amount, click on Swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Be sure to check the gas fees, this will be in ETH, and make sure everything looks good before confirming. Your transaction will be processed, and once it's confirmed, your USDC will be in your wallet. Next up, we're going to use PayTrie to convert your USDC into Canadian dollar and withdraw it to your Canadian bank account. If you don't have PayTrie yet, you'll need to sign up first. Head over to Sell, select the amount and the stablecoin you want to sell. Make sure that you are selecting the correct stablecoin and network. Click Sell, paste in your wallet address. This is the wallet address that the stablecoins will be coming from. If you are sending the stablecoins from a centralized exchange, you can use your deposit wallet address as the sending address. You will then send the stablecoins from your wallet or exchange wallet to PayTrie's wallet address. Detailed instructions will be provided on the confirmation page, as well as in an email from PayTrie. Important, be sure to account for any withdrawal fees associated with your exchange or network to avoid delays. Ensure that the final amount received by PayTrie matches the amount that was booked. Your order will be processed within 24 hours, usually much quicker within a few hours. PayTrie then will send the Canadian dollars to your account through Interac transfers. So, if you've been holding USDT and aren't sure how to deal with the ban in Canada, this method using Uniswap and PayTrie is a simple way to convert and cash out. It may take a little bit of time, but it's a smooth process, and you're back to using your crypto without breaking any rules. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.